In this video, I will show you how to find your WhatsApp number. Many people use WhatsApp to chat with friends and family. But sometimes, you might forget which phone number you used for your account. Don't worry, I have simple steps to help you find it. To get started, open up the WhatsApp application. Then tap Settings at the bottom right corner. Now that you're on the settings page, take a look at the top, where you'll see your name displayed. Tap on it. This will take you to your profile information, where you can edit details like your profile picture and about. But most importantly for today's purpose, here is where you can see the phone number associated with your WhatsApp account. For privacy reasons, I won't display an actual phone number here, however, this is exactly where you can view yours. If needed, take note of this number for future reference or share it with friends who might want to connect with you via WhatsApp. Remember that this number is linked directly to your account and will be visible when someone tries to contact you through WhatsApp. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.